Hey friends, so today I'm going to show you how you can achieve this super cute purple and blue multiple cut crease look, so let's get into it. So first up, you need to prime your eyelid just to create a nice tacky base for your eyeshadow. Using a really small blending brush, I always like to go in with the darkest eyeshadow first, and I'm just packing that onto my brow bone and blending it upwards. The key to getting a really good blend is to just layer your colors. So after applying the transition color, I'm just going back in with that base color just to make sure everything is all blended. When cutting the crease, I always like to use an eye primer just to outline exactly where I want to cut. And then I like to use a wet wipe just to clean the area up so I can create a nice crisp line. So this method is also going to prevent any pigment from mixing with your concealer and just give you a really nice defined cut crease. If you're wondering about any of the products I'm using, I have listed them down below in the description box, so you can go and check that out and you'll find everything you're looking for. So once all of this eye primer is blended, I'm just going in with the same two eyeshadows and just repeating the whole process on the inner portion of my eyelid. Another tip for achieving a really beautiful and flawless blend is to not be scared of your eyeshadow. Really pack that product on there. It's going to help you achieve a really pigmented and beautiful blend. So again, I'm just repeating the process of cutting my crease, really making sure that that product is patted in and blended and that there's no wet patches that eyeshadow can cling to. So something that really helps you get a nice defined line when you're doing like winged out cut creases is to use tape. This also just prevents the need for cleanup or line correction once you've blended your base color on. So I'm just going in with that lighter blue shade and the darker purple on the outer corner and just making sure everything is blended together. Then just going in with some final touches and adding some lashes, and we have the final look. Thank you for watching.